Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Dr. Rameshwar. Once again I am with you on Billionaire Doctor Mindset. Many times doctors used to ask me why some of doctors are still struggling for their financial condition even if they are one of the top brains in this world. Top brain in this world. Why after learning so much things we are still struggling in our financial situations? First thing that I want to tell you, the financial situation is not due to what you have learned. Your financial situation is going to improve only by one thing, what you can contribute. What problem you can solve for the other. Whatever knowledge you have, it's useless until unless this knowledge is going to be beneficial for someone, either in solving his pain or his problem, or help that person in achieving his goal or aspirations. This, if you are not able to do this, whatever knowledge you are having is all useless. Maybe you have studied a lot, you have a lot of knowledge, but if this knowledge is not going to have any impact in the life of other people, you cannot monetize this knowledge. Remember it. It's not going to monetize. Who cares about your knowledge, man? आपने कितना पढ़ा है, इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Nobody cares. Only things that matter is what value you can give to the others, and for that value only people used to pay you or give money. If you are not able to give value to any people, nobody used to give money, and I strongly believe that you should not receive money. You should not receive money, man. You do not deserve to take money. Many times people used to tell me that a junior doctor, a person who is not much educated than me, is earning more than me because he is contributing whatever knowledge he has. Whatever knowledge he has, he is contributing, he is helping, he is solving his problem, he is contributing in achieving the goal of the customer or aspiration of his patients. And even after having a lot of knowledge, you are useless because you are not doing it. Sometimes people say, I am postgraduate, I am super specialist. And people are rushing to this MBBS doctor, people are rushing to this BMS doctor, because that BMS doctor is contributing, whatever knowledge he is having, he is contributing positively to this community he is serving. And that is very important. That is very important. That lesson you have to keep in mind. How much knowledge you have, man? How much knowledge you have? You have studied, I have studied orthopedics. I am postgraduate in orthopedics. How much knowledge I have? I just want to tell what is the contribution of orthopedics in medical science. If medical science is 100, how much is the orthopedics? 1%. In this 1% of knowledge, how much knowledge I have? How much knowledge I have? Ask yourself honestly how much knowledge you have in your own specialization, in your own super specialization, or in your own branch. If orthopedics is 100, my knowledge is not more than 20-30%. I'm talking about myself. You may judge yourself in the better way. How much knowledge you have, then how much knowledge I am having in whole medical fraternity or medical science? 0.3%. And what about the medical knowledge in this whole universe knowledge? If whole universe, whatever knowledge is available in this universe, how much this medical knowledge is contributing? It's not more than 1%. There are a lot of many things. There is history, there is science, there is physics, there is chemistry, there is a lot of biology, there is economics, there is lot of things that we don't know. This medical science, my own calculation, I am telling it, it is just 1%, not more than 1% of this whole universal knowledge. See how much knowledge I have. If I compare with the whole knowledge, it is not 0.003%. And then I am having an inflated ego that I am very much knowledgeable. People are not coming to me. Here problem is not knowledge. Problem is mindset. And we have to understand this. We are just a teeny creature in this earth. And if we are not able to contribute anything to the society or to the people standing in front of you, to our patients, to our community, then you are useless. Even if you are graduate, postgraduate, super specialist, whatever you are, keep your knowledge with you. Maybe my words may be hard, but it's a real fact. This is the real fact. And if you think that I am talking a correct thing, then please share to our fellow colleagues. Because in this era, sharing is caring. Once again, love you all. Think healthy.